Hi everyone, and welcome to Belinda's DIYs. In the toy section at Dollar Tree, they have these little Barbie bags, and actually they're to put Barbie clothes in them. Well, let me tell you, I have a really awesome hack for you where you can turn this into those chenille leather trendy bags. I'm talking about these right here. They go great in your Bogg bags or in your purse or in your car, just about anywhere. Now I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to take out the paper and then I'm going to add one of these stickers. Now these you can find them at Amazon and maybe even Hobby Lobby. I found these in Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below in case you want to purchase some yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one that says stuff and I'm going to remove the backing. Now I have to tell you, the adhesive is very strong and sticky. But then once I removed the backing, I went ahead and I placed my letter sticker onto the clear side of the bag. And this is how it turned out. It's not identical to this one, but it is very close. And here are just some of the items that I usually keep in my purse or in my car, but they're not usually where they need to be. They're just floating around. So this is a great little bag that can be used for many things that are called just plain stuff. I made this other one that says skin, so I did put my sunscreen in this one, and here I'm placing it in my Bogg bag. But of course it fits in a beach tote or whatever. Here's the other one that I made that just says stuff, so I'm putting it here. My Bogg bag is pretty large, and as you can see, these fit really well. I'm also gonna make some more with these that say snack, hair, and face. So I'm gonna make more because they come in so handy. These chenille leather patches are just so cute. Now here I'm just gonna put the stuff bag in my purse. So I'm just gonna stuff it in my purse. I just wanted to share a creative way that you can really dress up these Barbie bags. I just thought they were really cute and I just wanted to share this idea with you. So go to your Dollar Tree and grab yourself some of these Barbie bags, and don't forget these chenille leather patches. I'll go ahead and link them down below. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye bye and God bless.